The sandwich, as we know it, originated in a story about John Montagu, the 4th Earl of Sandwich. He didn't really invent the sandwich, but he certainly seems to have popularized it. It is said that in 1762, he asked for meat to be served between slices of bread so that he could hold his meal in one hand and continue to gamble with the other. Soon people started asking for the same as sandwich, and the name stuck. The Earls of Sandwich get their title from a place called Sandwich in Kent, England. Oddly enough, they don't live there, and they never have. The first Earl of Sandwich, Edward Montagu, was supposed to take the title the Earl of Portsmouth, but because he was commanding a fleet which was anchored off Sandwich, he changed it. British titles are so confusing. The current Earl, the 11th Earl of Sandwich, is a direct descendant of the 4th Earl, and his name too is John Montagu. Taking advantage of his title, he's launched a chain of sandwich restaurants called Earl of Sandwich. By the way, if you do meet Montagu, the correct way to address him would be Lord Sandwich. From me, the English nut, it's bye for now.